Shit! Oh my fucking god!
Yo, it's having time. You get to know about the day. Cause he knows the home.
Sad days, boys. What's up?
I think we just need to lock you up.
Yeah, fuck, I know.
You got such a rap sheet.
Do you have a stick on your car?
Yeah. Canary.
Sometimes I'd come in like that.
Can I see your license and registration, sir?
Oh, we could have been triplets.
Yeah.
Pussy. Alright.
So g'day folks, we're in the Z today.
Z.
Heading to Sherbrooke Falls with a few of the lads. I'm riding shotgun, obviously, because of incidents.
What happened, Ben?
My boy, well not my boy, just scum, the villainy of Knox.
Villainy of Knox.
Pulled me over and defected my car, so
Yeah,
sad
beating up
times.
the car.
Got me for some stupid things. In fact, one of them he was straight up wrong, but I didn't know the law, so
Sorry? Fuck.
yeah.
I just realised.
When he turned his lights on behind me, I full shat bricks because I was like, oh, surely he didn't think I ripped a skid.
Yeah, that was my main concern. I originally thought he was just was trying to get you out of the way to get to me. I had like not a single thought that he would have actually pulled you over.
Yeah. I don't know. But then it's weird. He got me on petty details and then didn't get others.
Yeah, I know.
So it makes me think, was he being nice or was he setting me up so that next time he's got things to get me for again?
He must not have seen me turn. He must have.
Yeah.
Like he could have heard the exhaust. The thing is, he would have seen my face by the time I got there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my fucking god! What the fuck? What was that?
Oh my.
Was that an Evo? Holy shit!
That was loud. That was like a gunshot
I think
bang.
that was a black Evo. What the fuck? Holy fuck, man! You scared the shit out of me.
Like follow the leader at the moment, following Pappas in his ute, and there seems to be some sort of lancer in between us.
Yeah, what is that, man? Must be a 4-cylinder?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah,
little
yeah.
four banger.
Yeah, skinny ass tires. So. Are you fucking serious? I kept right on. That's
Yeah, I
so
know.
stupid.
That happened to me.
He's probably a local as well. Yeah, it's fine. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
This guy walking on the side of the road, holding up all the traffic. Talkie mofo.
Monkey boys.
Forest, Sherbrooke Falls. It's a picnic ground. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely going to be a pretty cold walk. So this might be a little dark, but
Oh, it's like, what is this guy doing?
pretty nice place.
Oh, did you see the Z?
Yeah,
Yeah, the P plated with the Z. Did you
it
see
was
the
two. It was two.
Zs?
Yeah.
What? One was
It was
parked.
the 260Z.
And then right after
and
that,
then-
Tom passed.
Yeah.
Oh, like a Z31
yeah,
there. Like
yeah,
real
yeah,
old one.
yeah.
I was like, right.
Yeah, the one parked. I'm like, oh, P plated. I'm like,
Was he a P plater?
yeah, green P plated. I'm like, oh, I'll swim past. I'll give you 20 grand.
Pretty much everybody here has the wrong footwear for this kind of a path.
So what do you get you for?
The wheels.
Yeah, so he got me for, no, not too much poke. He just said that too wide, which is not even true. I double checked that one. Got me for engine leaks, oil leaks, which kind of bullshit.
Didn't know that was a fence.
Yeah, cage, obviously that one's fair enough.
Yeah.
And steering wheel, that was also fair enough. But still, he could have easily let me off with a warning.
Yeah.
He didn't even have to pull me over, to be honest. He wasn't doing anything
No.
stupid.
No, your name's not Shahan. Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you would have been. You would have been.
And he would
I
have.
reckon that.
No.
Kicked as well.
I reckon that could have been an inbound.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, possibly.
I was gonna say we didn't actually check how long this walk is. Before it's
Like 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Dad. Imagine if you were recording and you slept.
No, I wasn't gonna sleep. I am a ninja on my feet.
You got Leo with mud all over his leg.
Wearing
He doesn't
shorts.
mind a bit of ebony on him.
Pretty tall trees here, actually. Some of these go way up. Dirty boy. Yeah, climb in there, Babis.
Oh, hey.
What are you dropping? It's a dollar, isn't it?
Man, what are you doing?
Where did you come out?
It's a pretty nice place here, actually. It's a little bit muddy because of all the rain at the moment, but nice forest. Going on an adventure. You fucking dirty boy.
Oh, your dick's gonna be on camera.
Turns out that path doesn't actually go anywhere.
Yeah, thanks for that, Shahan.
Because I was saying to you.
For the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
Last night was good content.
Yeah, I didn't want to film it though.
I filmed pretty much
film it?
after.
No way.
Boss, the last job, is this for the vlog? The last job she did was a raid at 4 AM of the family's house.
Oh, yeah.
And took all the children
Yeah.
out.
Well,
They used to like gave them acid and bleach.
what? Yeah, they lived up here.
Guys,
There's-
let's go find the family.
There's
They're
Serial
probably actually
bleachers.
still doing it.
they probably are, but it's probably not as big. But there's a grid of like pillars out here, and they're all numbered. Yeah. My cousin's boyfriend came across it and he's like, it's probably the weirdest thing. She's just walking through forest like this,
And
and then boom, there's just out of nowhere all these pillars, and you're just like,
so
yeah, no, I'm out of here.
isn't it?
Yeah.
They wanted the kids to look as white as possible and gave them acid and bleached their whole body.
Yeah,
That's
they.
so retarded.
And those kids are like 30 now. Like they're trying to live a normal life.
Because they got run out of town at Eildon, and then they moved out here. But like one of the girls that works at us, she's been at the property where they originally worked, and there's a little playground at the bottom of the property.
Oh, it's so
and she was playing there,
Oh.
and then it all like came out that this is like the family's old property, and they're just like, why are we here?
You have to be our narrator. You're very good at telling stories. That was perfect. Okay, guys, we all have a role, but who wants to get killed off first? Leon wasn't keen on it, so.
Well, Shahan's a black kid.
Yeah, I was about to say, normally
it's
like
true, obviously.
A lady and a man.
So we're coming up on the falls now. You can probably hear them.
What?
Over what the past
Oh,
10 years or something.
perfect.
And they all reckon he knows what's going on.
Yeah, there's so much more to the story. We can do a full-blown ghost tour of an asylum if you like.
Alright.
That would be real creepy.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, if we went at night time. Oh wow, this is a muddy mess.
That's really good apparently.
Yeah. It's full on though. You don't think you can just prove behind is like a liar.
That's what's good.
Not really deep enough.
I don't know.
There's a lot of logs actually
Yeah.
across here.
It's a little.
There's so much like debris.
Yeah. Can be cool. Oh guys, there's something.
Oh my god!
oh my god.
Apis has disappeared.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
You have to come back and something has to be
You
wrong.
weren't supposed to come back. Must be what?
Wrong with you. Like up there, someone like, I don't know. What?
Maybe a psyche or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
homeless guy up in your place.
Oh my god. Well, the idea is so great.
Cool, right?
What should we do, like, every fortnight? What's the month?
Wait, we should do like monthly. I'm totally up for that. Yeah, same.
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be down.
Yeah. I'm on holiday 2 weeks.
Wait, Matt, this next weekend, go to Sherbrooke Falls tonight.
Perfect.
I'm totally down.
We're going for a vlog.
There we go.
What are your thoughts on today's activities?
It was a pretty quick walk. We can do better.
Yeah,
Because that wasn't even a waterfall.
yeah, it was pretty disappointing, not gonna lie.
That was a creek.
I mean, part of the problem was it was full covered in like logs and shit, so
I don't think anyone's been out to clean it up.
Actually, really cool.
But it is the middle, well, it's coming into the middle of winter. So can they just allow it to happen? And then they clean it up?
are you gonna come on the next adventure?
Where are we going?
Cathedral Ranges? Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, here we go. Yeah, I'll get down.
That's the second.
Yeah.
That's the second time this week.
Everyone just
Someone was doing it in Daniel's Donuts line.
Oh yeah! Yeah, this time last
Yeah, that was you, wasn't it, Sean?
No, mate. I was fast.
Call you Snoop Dogg now.
I was actually scared. I was driving.
He's walking through the forest having a fun.
I don't mind that. I'll rate that.
You'd be pretty close to what the spell does, probably. Well, in this little car.
Such a random lineup of cars we have here. The Wercute, the Z, the Evo, and the Dirty Padge.
Yeah, the try.
Yeah, dirty.
See that track in the email?
It's clean. It's the best.
Ah, you got. What's these shoes? That's an interesting inventory.
Purpose is prepared.
We walked the whole car down in front of us. Really good.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, that's actually great for Leon's leg.
Oh, yeah. I think that's the thing. Had a bit of head in the end.
Jeez.
If you need another one.
Well, so that's that for the walk. It was a little disappointing.
A bit
Waterfalls.
cold.
Yeah, cold, wet, muddy, and the waterfall's small. So we're just heading back now.
What the man got? Sea boys! Woo!
I really hope I got that.
Every time I see a sea.
And we are back.
Boys are home. Oops. Ah! Oh shit. Hey, mate.
Too late for driving.
No probs, mate.
I'll see you sometime.
Probably in Discord.
Catch you later, mate. Oh yeah, cheers. See ya. Almost forgot my sunnies.